Hey everybody, this is Larissa Davis, the Soul Path Artist, coming to you from the Soul Path Art Studio. And I've been working to get this space ready to receive all my spirit animal workshop women at the end of this month on the 28th. And you can see we've got a good start here. We have our altar set up. And I've been making gratitude flags, one every day. So I still have all these areas to fill with flags. And I will also look forward to offering the opportunity to you, if you are at this workshop, to create a flag along with your spirit animal painting.